So you've just completed building your website. Now what? In this video, I'll show you how to publish and unpublish your site, view your live site, and answer some FAQs. But before that, let's break it down. Publishing puts your site online for everyone to see. But don't worry, it's not final. You can unpublish anytime, revert to an older version, or even publish an unfinished site and hide it from search engines. Now, let's get started. To publish your site, in your editor, click the Publish button in the right-hand corner. Here you can visit your site, copy your site address, or return to your editor and continue your site creation. After your site has been published, it automatically appears online and can be seen by anyone entering your free site URL or domain name. You can also access your live site from the editor. Click Site on the top bar of the editor and click View Site. And to unpublish your site, click the Site tab and then Unpublish Site. A quick note, clicking Save won't update your live site. To make your changes visible online, click Publish after saving.
Hey, can I preview my site before I publish it?
Yes, click Preview to see your site before publishing. This lets you preview your site live, which is useful for checking changes before publishing.
And what if I don't like the changes I've made? Can I go back to an earlier version of my website?
Absolutely. You can restore an older version anytime. Just click on Site, then Site History.
Can I delete my site and start over?
Yes, you can start a new site anytime. If your site is upgraded, move the plan to the new site before deleting the old one. Plus, you don't have to delete it. You can keep it as a free site, transfer it to another account, or unpublish it. That's it. You've just learned how to publish your site through your editor. For more, check out the article, our Help Center, and our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.